Okay po, hello po, good morning and welcome po sa ating session. For this video po ay i-discuss ko po yung table of specifications ng technology, livelihood, and textbook education po sa secondary. Now, by the way po, I am Doc Sam Villa. Isa po akong college instructor po and reviewer din po ako ng TLE. And I am handling po courses in the College of Education. Handling po yung mga review courses para po specifically and specialized po in TLE. Now for this video po, I will discuss the Philippine Qualifications Framework ng TLE, no? Ng Table of Specifications niya po. And ito po yung coverage natin for TLE for the board exam. Now, it was effective way back 2022 po with the new curriculum. Nung nag-change po ang curriculum ng from BSED TLE to BTLED. At ito po yun, ang new coverage ng table of specs po for BTLED. Now, makikita po natin dito, ito po yung apat na areas na coverage na lang po ng TLE. So, bago na po ito lahat. And sa mga susunod ko po na video, may mga lectures po ako at exercises sa bawat area po at sa bawat coverage ng TLE. So, please stay tuned po. If new po kayo sa aking channel, you may like and subscribe po for the updates regarding the review. Para po makatulong din po ako sa inyo for your upcoming board exam. And this is part po ng ating help para po sa mga future LPTs natin, major in TLE. Alam po namin na kaya po ninyo yan kasi ako po mismo, ako ay isang TLE major at alam ko po yung mga bagay na kailangan natin na malaman, kailangan nating i-review para po sa upcoming board exam natin. So ito po yung coverages natin. So first po area is ng teaching exploratory courses. So ito po yung mga TEC. So lahat po ng mga areas ng TLE ay dadaanan natin. Most specifically po yung mga kumukuha ng education units po ng mga non-board programs dati na kumukuha ng diploma in professional education po. There's a new memo on that na kailangan na po talaga na kunin natin itong mga majors na to before po kayo makaproceed ng 18 units of professional education. At para po mag-qualify po kayo to take the board exam, the teachers or the licensure examination for professional teachers. So, this will be a part of our reaching out to those na mga students natin na hindi pa po alam at yung mga nagpaplano po nga kumuha ng LET na hindi pa po alam ang coverage ng TLE. So, itong TLE po kasi napaka-wide po ng scope nito. At sa kanyang scope ay napaka-mahalaga talaga po na kailangan nating intindihin. We have to really understand the concepts behind all of the areas that are covered by TLE. Itong TLE po kasi ay may apat na main areas po, yung industrial arts, yung ICT, information and communication technologies po, and may agri-fishery arts din, at saka home economics. So may apat po siya na areas. So ito po yon. Under teaching exploratory courses po, we have industrial arts, parts 1 and part 2. So under po ng industrial arts, dandyan po yung mga basic electronics, basic electricity, civil technology po, automotive technology, meron din pong metalworking, graphic arts, at saka refrigeration and air conditioning. So ito po yung mga coverage niya under sa industrial arts 1 and 2 po. Second po is itong home economics literacy and family and consumer life skills. So under po ito ng home economics. Then we have also po ICT, Introduction to ICT Specializations. So under po ng Introduction to ICT Specializations, may 1 and 2 din po yan, gaya ng Industrial Arts po. Nandyan po yung technical drafting, yung illustration po, ano pa ba yung coverage ng ICT? Yung web design, web app designing, tsaka yung medical transcriptioning. So ito po yung mga coverage which matitake up po natin yan during sa ating pong mga susunod po na video regarding po sa mga coverages niyan ng bawat area ng TLE. Then meron din po tayong agriculture and fishery arts po, 1 and 2 rin yan. And then we also have entrepreneurship. So nandiyan pa rin yung entrepreneurship po. At technology for teaching and learning. So ito po yon ang mga coverage at may yan po, yung 6 na yan. Ito po yung 6 na areas under TSC or Teaching Exploratory Courses. So 28% po ang weight niyan all in all sa 150 items kasi yung coverage po sa board exam is 150 items po yan. Then, area B po, common competencies in home economics, industrial arts, ICT, at saka agriculture and fishery arts. So, ito yung mga common competencies kasi pag nasa field na tayo, pag nagtiteach na tayo, ito yung mga common across all po yan. Nandyan po yung mga competencies na yan. Ano po ba to? Ito pong use, no? Selection, use, and maintenance po of tools. Across all po yan, kahit anong area po ng TLE. Mensuration or measurement, saka basic calculation, saka interpretation of plans and drawing, and then application of safety measures. Ito po yung tatlong coverages natin. Under po yan ng common competency. So, 50% po out of the 150 items. At, so, meaning po, 75 items po yan sa overall po na coverage ng TLE questions. Susunod din po ang Trainers Methodology 1 and 2. Ito po yung pinaka-challenging na bagong scope ng TLE kasi included na po yung TM, yung Trainers Methodology 1 and 2. 10% lang po yan, 15 items, pero in the actual po kasi, hindi lahat po yan nasusunod yan. So, eventually, importante po talaga na bilang TLE major na magtitake ng board na major in TLE, alam po natin na ito yung mga coverage at alam din natin, mindset po natin na talagang we have to really study all of these areas kasi di natin alam kung ano po talaga sa board exam date, ano po talaga yung coverage. Hindi yan magkakapareho kasi may time po na marami dito. Example po, marami sa TEC or marami sa TM, kaunti lang dito sa common competencies. So, hindi po talaga nafa-follow yan. But eventually po, kailangan talaga natin na mag-study. At least po aware po kayo na ito yung coverages ng TLE. So, trainers methodology po, 1 and 2. So, ito yung mga competencies po under TM1 and 2. Plan and facilitate learning and training sessions, utilize IT applications, apply work ethics, values and quality principles, and apply principles and practices in inclusive learning culture. At saka po, demonstrate trainers' competencies required by the Philippine Tibet Trainers Assessors Qualification Framework. So, at lahat po ito ay gagawan po natin ng video para po natin ma-review, no? At help po tayo sa inyo na malaman nyo po, you have new knowledge and concepts regarding these coverages po. And also, another area po ng TLE for the board exam specialization is ang assessment and evaluation or yung competency-based assessment. Kasi iba po kasi yung setup natin sa TLE as compared to the other courses, other subjects, other majors po. We have CBA na naka-align po sa TESDA. So, demonstrate po understanding of theories, principles of assessment and evaluation applied po in HE, IA, and Agri-Fishery Arts. So, we will be tackling po dito mga competency-based assessment tools po and how to conduct. So, develop po ng competency-based assessment tool at pag-conduct. So, ito po yung assessment and evaluation na coverage po ng TLE. Now, part na po talaga ito ng curriculum ng BTL-Ed kung BTL-Ed major po kayo. Pero kung katulad ko po na old curriculum pa po yung aking BS-Ed. So, ito po talaga kailangan rin natin na pagtuunan ng pansin. Kailangan din po natin mag-study dito kasi continuation po to ng TM. So, sa TM kasi, Trainers Methodology, may facilitating at supervising the learning there, no? ng competencies. Pero dito sa assessment is how you conduct your competency-based assessment. So kasi ang assessment po at evaluation natin sa TLE is based on competencies. Sa TESDA kasi may basic competencies, common competencies at saka core competencies. So ito po yung mga dapat din natin na malaman kasi lalabas din po yan sa board exam. At last po, research. So lahat po ng courses ngayon under po ng sa PRC, under all majors or specializations ng secondary education, meron pong research. So meron din pong application ng basic research sa iba't ibang areas po ng TLE, ng HE, ng IA, ng ICT, at saka ng AFA. So, state po the parts of a research paper. So, basic lang po talaga na parts po ng research paper, yung introduction, yung methodology, yung mga data gathering procedures, yung statement of the problem, at yung mga basic lang po na parts ng research paper. So, we will be making po a lecture video po nito at mga review para po naman tulong po sa inyo, no, sa pagre-review for the upcoming board exam. So, dito lang po, no, yung video natin. Sa susunod po natin ng mga video, stay tuned lang po tayo kasi we will be trying to have, no, a lecture notes, discussion, at the same time po, meron din po tayong mga exercises, no? I have some prepared also kasi ito yung ginagamit ko sa aking mga review programs para naman po makatulong sa inyo sa TLE. So, thank you so much po and stay tuned po for other videos coming. Don't forget po to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel para po kayong updated lagi for the upcoming po new preparation. We always pray for your success po. God bless and see you po sa mga susunod.